Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Deep and you guys have tuned into Miss Jiva Deep. Hope you are doing well and staying safe as you all have gone through the title that is 1 kajal and 5 different eye looks. So today we're going to discuss about the same. The only thing you need is 1 kajal, but if you want to apply your favorite eyeshadow, you can go for that as well. So without any further pause, let's just dive into the video. So guys, the first look is smoky liner by using kajal. This is the basic one. What you have to do is you need to apply a thin stroke of kajal on your eyelid and then you're gonna smudge it. Now guys, you can see I'm done with my kajal. Now it's time to smudge it by using this brush. Now guys, you can see this. Now same on this eye. Now guys, I'm done with my first look. So guys, now the second look is smoky eyes by using kajal. It's quite similar to the first one. We need to apply a thin stroke of kajal on my eyelid, and then the only difference is we need to extend it in the inner as well as in the outer corner of my eye. Wait. As you can see. Now same on this side. Now guys, I'm done with my second look. So guys, it's time for the third look, that is smoky lower lash line. And this is very simple. You just need to apply kajal on your lower lash line and then you're gonna smudge it. To give it a proper definition, I'm gonna apply brown eyeshadow over it. you just need to fill your waterline with kajal. And then you're gonna smudge it. Now guys, it's time to apply eyeshadow to give it a proper definition. I'm using brown eyeshadow under this. Now in the dab manner, you need to apply your eyeshadow under your kajal. Now same on this eye. Now guys, I'm done with my third look. So guys, now moving towards the fourth one, that is dramatic eye look. So as the name suggests, this eye look is going to be quite over the board. So I'm going to teach you step by step. So there are 3 steps. First one is to apply kajal as an eyeliner on your upper lash line and add a wing to it. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with my eyeliner. Now it's time to fill my waterline by using kajal. Now guys, I'm done with my waterline. Now I'm going to smudge my waterline towards my lower lash line. Now guys, I'm done with this as well. Now guys, the third step is to apply kajal following your inner corner's dimension. Now guys, you can see I'm done with this. Now same on this eye. Now guys, as you can see, I'm done with my eye look. So guys, now moving forward towards the last one, that is wing eyeliner. This is simplest yet quirky. What you have to do is, you just need to apply a wing eyeliner on your upper lash line, and then in the extension of your lower lash line, you just need to draw the another wing. That's it. Now as you can see guys, I'm done with this. Now guys, as you can see, I'm done with my last look. So guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you like my efforts. If you do, please take a moment to appreciate it by turning on that grey like button into blue. And also, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I posted a new video. Bye.